Hi. As it comes to that time when in 1621 the pilgrims got together to celebrate harvest, it's kind of difficult to hold on to your waistline. Well, I have 12 rules for you to keep you eating healthy throughout the holiday season, and especially at this time as we approach Thanksgiving. Hi, it's Dr. Sean Mimo, your friendly bariatric surgeon. As we approach the holiday season, it's a time of getting together with family, celebrating with the ones you've loved, and that you probably haven't seen for a while. Try to take the focus off the eating. Yes, I know that's a lot of you when you meet with your friends and family. Obviously, you get together and eat. But try to take the focus off the eating. Try to do other activities. Apple picking with the kids, things like that, playing games. Getting out there maybe after Thanksgiving for turkey trot. Try and get some physical activities in as part of your traditions for Thanksgiving and the holidays. Number 2 is don't forget to hydrate. At this time, everybody is busy running around. You're doing more activity than usual. You may forget to keep up with your fluids. So drinking is very important. And sometimes you feel like you're hungry and actually you're thirsty. So make sure you hydrate. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Number 3 is eat slowly. Take time to enjoy the food that you're eating and eat it mindfully, to savor the flavor of the food that you're eating. Take time to enjoy the textures, to engage in the conversation. Take your time and eat. Number 4 is case the joint, like I say. That is, when you see a table of food, a buffet, don't go straight for the first thing in front of you. Go around to see everything that is on offer. Strategize, see what's most healthy for you. I typically want to start with putting a lot of vegetables on my plate. Then I can put a little bit of turkey, which is a nice lean meat, and I'll put some plant-based proteins if they have some, things like lentils, chickpeas, those sort of things. So when I eat my proteins, I can take my time and eat the vegetables. Now, vegetables will give you, if that's the base, will allow you to spend time talking to people and everything with something on your plate. Number 5, eat your proteins first. Still follow the rules where you want to get the most important things in first. So eat your proteins first and go for preferably plant-based proteins, if not the lean meats. Number 6 is that you can always modify holiday menus. You can always, if you're the one cooking in, you can always change those menus and make sure that there's no added sugars, make sure that they're low in fats and high in proteins. So always feel free to do some experimentation, change the menus, and make it more healthy. Number 7 is that you can always volunteer if you're going out to a friend's or to your relatives to bring a healthy dish. You can just volunteer to bring a dish and make sure that dish is healthy. Number 8 is watch your alcohol. Alcoholic drinks tend to carry a lot of calories, and these are empty calories as you're drinking them, apart from the effect of the alcohol itself. Especially a lot of the coolers tend to contain a lot of sugar. So watch out for the empty calories you will get. Number 9 is use sugar-free mints. Sugar-free mints can give a certain taste to food that acts as a deterrent to overeating. So this is a good strategy for using at holiday parties where the tendency is to just keep on eating and eating. After you've had your healthy meal, just pop in some sugar-free mints and this will act as a deterrent. Number 10 is get rid of the leftovers. Now, if everybody did not eat those sugar-laden desserts that you had bought or prepared, get rid of them. Don't let them sit in your fridge and you feel guilty about throwing them away 2 days after and you find yourself ending up eating them. 11 is don't skimp on physical activity. So your daily exercise, 30 minutes a day like I do first thing in the morning, don't skimp on that just because it's the holidays. Keep active, your body needs it, and you need that constant habit of exercising. So even through the holidays, through Thanksgiving, through everything, make sure you get in your regular exercise. Number 12, don't stress. Holiday period, Thanksgiving period, and the rest of the holidays can be a period of great stress for a lot of people. It's a time that they could get anxious about a lot of things, gifts and all those kind of things. And it's just a time that you should take out to enjoy with your family and your friends. Take time to reconnect with an old relative or someone that you haven't seen in quite a while. I remember when I was much younger, I used to always reconnect with one of my whole old school buddies at Thanksgiving. He'll come over to my place, he'll pick me up, and then we'll go all over New York City looking for the one restaurant that was open to share Thanksgiving together. But it was a lot of fun. Only time I saw him in the year, and I always loved reconnecting with him. So this is your friendly bariatric surgeon, Dr. Sean Showa. Take good care of yourself and have a wonderful Thanksgiving and holiday season.